In case you haven't heard, Eminem recently opened up a new restaurant in Detroit called Mom's Spaghetti, which is very fitting. Good job, Eminem. And the menu only consists of 3 items. Mom's spaghetti, obviously, spaghetti and meatballs or vegan rabbit balls, and the spaghetti sandwich. Now, I don't know about you, but the spaghetti sandwich sounds the most appealing to me, and since I can't make it to Detroit to try the real thing, I'm gonna make a version at home. So first things first is the bread. I'm just using white bread because this isn't a high-class establishment. So then I also have some garlic butter, which I made by just mincing and then smashing some garlic. And then I added it to some very soft butter. I'm gonna butter both sides with my garlic butter. I'm not actually sure if what they use there is garlic butter, but it seems like that makes the most sense to me. Now, when I think of Mom's spaghetti, I'm thinking of a mom who just came home from work, needs to make a quick dinner for the kids, so she boils water, cooks that spaghetti, and opens a jar of pre-made pasta sauce. That's what I did. A bit of Parmesan cheese in there too, and I will add a good helping of this to my bread. This feels so wrong. And from what I understand, the spaghetti sandwich also comes with cheese. I'm guessing that it's mozzarella. I have some sliced mozzarella here. Oh, get on there. And just for the sake of adding extra cheese, I'm gonna add some Parmesan grated on top as well. So like any grilled cheese, the key to cooking this is gonna be low and slow. I have my pan heating up over medium-low heat, and I'm just gonna add my grilled cheese spaghetti sandwich monstrosity. I'm just gonna cover it and then let it cook a little bit so the cheese can melt. All right, it's been maybe 10-ish minutes on low, so I'm gonna try to flip this. So it looks like my garlic maybe got a little burnt. So I'm saying maybe next time cook it even lower or less garlic. Maybe just use garlic powder instead of actual garlic in my garlic butter. I think it's still gonna be good though. It's been maybe 3 or 4 minutes and my sandwich is done. This monstrosity. All right, let's see how this looks. Wow. So, I mean, it is what it says it is. It's a spaghetti sandwich. It's a sandwich filled with spaghetti and cheese. So let's give it a try, see how it tastes. It tastes exactly how you'd expect it to taste. Spaghetti and sauce and bread with cheese and some garlic. I mean, I'm kind of thinking I can only have maybe 2 more bites of this before I need to go take a nap, but it tastes delicious. I think Eminem might be onto something here. If you also can't make it to Detroit to try the real thing, might as well make it at home like I did. It's really easy. And while you're here, click on one of these other great videos and subscribe for more amazing recipes.